I see a lot of potential here. I think we can really make something out of this. What do you mean? Let's see here. I see at least a welding table here. Really? Probably a couple other things. You're kind of a harebrained, you know that, right? A welding table. This guy's an idiot. Oh, you gonna be protective? Oh yeah, there we go. What was that? Was that good? What? What? You want that? You want that? Oh, there you go. Oh, you got it. Nice. Hi, Mama. No? I think 17. All right, fine. Well, I want to share with you anyway. Look at here, Curly's looking for another one. Look at her. Oh, yeah. Oh, raw. She always wants another treat. Let's see if Mr. Bo wants one first. Mr. Bo. No? Hey, bud. You want one? Mr. Bo? Nope. Mr. Bo don't want one. All right, Chance. There you go, buddy. Here you go, Reb. Hey, buddy. Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You're gonna nibble on my... You're gonna nibble on my jacket? You're gonna bite my jacket? No more. No more. Yeah, we gotta get you a hoof trimming. Yeah, he's got a hoof that's all bunged up. You're gonna have to get him trimmed up here in a week or so. Oh well. Good Friday, everybody. Even a better Friday if you don't have to work the weekend. Quick shout out. I'm gonna do a shout out every few days here. one at a time. It's a lot easier, I think, for everybody to keep track of my shout outs. So this week's or today's shout out is for Grumpy Farmer, the Grumpy Farmer. He's got 578 subscribers as of this morning. Several videos for you to go watch. He's actually got some videos that got a lot of views. Burying that combine in the cornfield, a lot of views on that. He got himself Buddy the dog in there. He's kind of the video mascot. So, and he gives Ed Goslin a hard time. So anybody that gives Ed Goslin a hard time, it's good stuff in my book. So the Grumpy Farmer, guys, go over and check out that channel. Let's see if we can get him a little bit closer to 600. I'll throw a video link up above. I got to head off to that job thing. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you again next time.